The Trifecta 2.0 is a premium soft trifold cover that features heavy-duty leather-grained vinyl and a frame made of aircraft-grade aluminum. It is easy to use and easy to install. The Trifecta 2.0 comes fully assembled. Start by removing it from the box. Then place it on the front of the truck bed. Unbuckle the straps and unfold the cover. Adjust its position so that it is evenly spaced from side to side. Check the positioning at the bulkhead and the tailgate to make sure that you're obtaining an adequate seal. At the tailgate, lift the cover open slightly to make sure that one or two of the fin seals are keeping contact with the top of the tailgate. At the bulkhead, lift the cover open to make sure that the bulb seal is keeping in contact with the truck. Make adjustments to the cover's position as necessary. Once you've determined the correct position, carefully refold the cover to the front of the truck without shifting its position. Now you're ready to secure the clamps. Rotate the clamps down from the front bow and slide them to the perimeter of the truck bed. Ensure the clamp is positioned under the bed rail flange. Hand tighten until the clamp makes contact. Then tighten an additional 2 turns. Do not use any tools or wrenches to tighten it. Repeat this process on the other side. Please note, the front clamp must contact the metal flange of the bed rail. If your truck is equipped with plastic bed rail caps that prevent the clamp from making solid contact with the metal flange of the bed, then you must trim a portion of the plastic so that it is even with the bottom of the metal flange. Failure to do so will prevent a good grip. The rear clamps are stowed in the rear bow. Rotate the clamps down. Slide the clamps at an angle. Again, they will not slide if they're in a fully upright position. Slide them out to the perimeter of the truck bed. To lock the cover, pull the clamps down while hooking underneath the bottom of the bed rail and release. Once all 4 of the clamps are installed and engaged, you can close the tailgate and be on your way. To prepare the Trifecta 2.0 to drive in the open position, release the rear clamps and stow the clamps in the bow by rotating them up to the cover to prevent them from damaging the vinyl cover. Now begin to fold the cover forward and fasten both straps to their buckles. Pull the ends of the straps to ensure they are tight. This is important to prevent damage to the cover while driving.